we are going to use React Router DOM to support multiple pages in our application. So let's install React Router DOM. npm React Router DOM. I'm not in the right folder, so let's go to the front end. So npm install React Router DOM. Okay, so we are going to use browser router from React Router DOM. What is good about the browser router is that it uses the history API of HTML5, and that's how we are going to sync our application with the URL. This is the documentation of React Router DOM. So this is an example of the usage of React Router DOM. So they used also the browser router and called it the router. So let's wrap our application with the browser router. So if you go to the app container, we can wrap our application with the browser router, and we should import it from React Router DOM. We would like to view our pages as a child of the navigation container. So if we go back to the documentation, we can see that we are going to put here a switch that will contain all our routes. Okay, so let's go to the navigation container, and we should replace the navigation container in our switch. So we will add a route and the path, and this is the home page. And our component will be the vacations container. So let's import the route. We can see that we have another switch in this component. We have the switch that we added over here to switch our theme. So let's call this one router switch. And we should import it. So we imported the switch and we called it router switch. So inside we are putting all our routes. So in our application, we'll have 3 pages. One is the login, and this is the login page. We'll have our vacation page. This is the home page, and we will have the profile page. So we will have profile container, and let's fix our import over here. So we can go to the containers, and we have the profile container, and it will be in the profile container. And let's fix the vacation container also. Okay, so let's see what we did. We added a switch, and inside the switch we added every route that we are going to use, and every route has its path and what component should be rendered. And at this place, we'll have actually our page. So let's test our routes. So this is our application and we are in the home page. So if we go and type login, we can see that we are in the login page. And if we go to the home page, we are in the vacations page. And if we go to the profile, so we can see that the setup of our router in the application is very simple. We just need to define our routes, and you should wrap the routes with a switch. And let's not forget that we are using here the browser router from React Router DOM, and this one will wrap our application.